Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams battling it out for the title of the best in the market. On the left, we have the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one deserves your hard-earned cash. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams deliver stunning footage. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit records in high-definition 1080p, capturing every detail on the road. But wait, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera takes it up a notch. With its advanced GCC CMOS sensor and 150 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having an eagle eye on your car. So for video quality, the ARIFAYZ takes the lead. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers a USB-C power supply, which ensures a stable and reliable connection. Plus, it has wide compatibility working with various car models and devices. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can even share your footage on social media with a tap of a finger. In terms of connectivity, the ARIFAYZ wins the race. Parking mode is a crucial feature in dash cams, and both of these contenders have it covered. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit ensures 24 hours of surveillance even when your car is turned off. It cuts off power when your car battery voltage drops, so you'll always have enough power to start your car. Meanwhile, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera takes it a step further with collision detection and time-lapse recording in parking mode. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your vehicle. For parking mode, the ARIFAYZ takes the crown. When it comes to storage and durability, both dash cams offer impressive features. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit has a high secure standard and can transform 12 volts, 24 V to 5 volts, protecting your devices against excessive current and overheating. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is built with heat-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand extreme temperatures. Plus, it supports up to 128GB micro SD cards, giving you ample space for your recordings. In terms of storage and durability, it's a tie. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is praised for its ease of installation, convenience, and compatibility with various car models. Customers appreciate its effectiveness for dash cams, especially for use with a 24-hour parking monitor feature. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera receives high ratings for its solid performance, exceptional support, user-friendly app, and clear video quality. Customers highly recommend it for insurance claims or providing evidence to the police. Overall, both dash cams have their strengths and satisfied customers. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera in various categories. While the Plozo offers great video quality and connectivity, the ARIFAYZ takes the lead with its advanced features like Wi-Fi, connectivity, parking mode, and durability. But remember, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to get more information about these dash cams. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons and helpful buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.